Let's make your mic sound terrible. First, go to Google and search for VB audio cable. Download it. Unzip the file and install it. Now go to the search bar and type sound. Click on Change System Sounds. Go to the Recording tab. Double-click on your main microphone. Go to the Levels tab and turn it all the way up. Now go to Advanced. Select the worst quality available from the list. Click Apply. Now go back to Google and search for VoiceMeeter. Click the first link. Click on Download. Unzip and install VoiceMeeter. Open VoiceMeeter. Click the first input slot. Select your microphone. Then click on A1. Now set this knob to 12. This one to 10. This one here. This one to 12, and this one also to 12. Search for sound again. Click on Change System Sound. Go to the Recording tab. Right-click on Cable Output. Go to Properties. Go to Levels. Set it to 100. Then go to Advanced. Click the drop-down and choose the worst quality. The one with the lowest hertz. Now you just have to select VB audio cable as your mic in Discord or any game where you want to destroy the audio. If this video helped you, subscribe and leave a like. Thanks.